Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your fitness apparel brand. Imagine I'm having a fitness apparel brand and on a daily basis I get a lot of query about it. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. It automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create chatbot for your fitness apparel brand by using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people who want to inquire about the fitness apparel, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created a chatbot for fitness apparel store in Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you the proper working of this chatbot. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp web and will type a key message. For example, hey. As you can see, I have received a response reply which welcome me and tell me about this brand. With that, I have got 3 action buttons out of which I can choose according to my need. As I want a store location, I will select the store location button. As you can see, I have received a message about store location, their closing hours and opening hours. And with that also, I have got some action buttons. As I don't need any more help, I can select not now. If I need more help, I can select need help. And for catalog, I can select catalog option. As I want to see the catalog, I will select the catalog option. After selecting the catalog option, here I have successfully received a catalog. This is what it looks like. So yes, as you have seen, this chatbot is replying to me within seconds and made the customer experience so much better without any manual help. This is the power of WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for my business on Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search that, you will be on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you are on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you can see there are 2 options. Sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free for your new account. As I already have my account with Pabbly, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on all app page of Pabbly. Here you can see 7 different applications are present. As I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now. As soon as you click on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. On the dashboard, you can add your WhatsApp number from the top right corner in the dashboard page. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, you can check our related videos. After adding a WhatsApp number, your status data will be updated. Other than that, we have many more features on our Pabbly Chatflow, which I will let you know one by one. Below the dashboard option, there is an inbox option where you can manage your conversation with your customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately to manage all this conversation. After that, we have contact option where you can create new contact. Below the contact section, we have team queue section, which help to assign different tasks and chat to different team members and also review their performances. Below the team queue section, there is a template section where you customize your template, and by customizing your template, you can give a personal touch to your chat. After template section, we have broadcast section where we can send bulk message to customer with the customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to make a chatbot. After that, we have AI assistant. You can watch this video to know about it. Below AI, we have settings section where we can manage different settings according to our need. Lastly, we have Get Help section where you can get help anytime you need in the Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn any of the features in detail, we have already created a separate video in our channel. As we have understood every feature, let's get started building a Chatflow. To build a Chatflow, we need to create a flow, and for that we need to click on Add Flow button. As soon as we clicked on Add Flow button, we need to give a suitable name to this flow. As I'm building a flow for my fitness apparel brand, I will give Fitness Apparel Bot. As you can see, a window is open named Flow Start, and there 3 features are present: keywords, regex, and choose template. In choose template option, you can choose customize template to make your conversation more engaging. In regex section is a powerful tool which extracts exact meaning what your customer is trying to say. In keywords are the trigger message which customer will insert to start a conversation. As we are creating our flow with the keywords only, I will enter few keywords, and to enter keywords you need to remember you have to press enter key to enter a keyword. I'm entering common keywords like hey, hello, hi, inquiry. Here are few keywords I have entered that I think my customer would send me while sending this message. Now I want, as soon as my customer enter a trigger message, a message should be appear on his chatbot. Something like this. And for that, I will select a text button from message section. I will select a text button and drag and drop that here. And now I'm going to connect start flow with my message button. It means that as soon as my customer enter this trigger message, a message will appear to their bot. Here, I will write a welcome message for them in which I will mention about my company name and all the features of my fitness brand. After that, I want to add few action button. For that, I will click on add button option and enter store location. On next action button, I will add, and on third action button, I will add customer support. Now, as you can see, I have added 3 action button with my introduction message. And for each action button, I want to send a separate message. For that, I will again drag and drop and select the text button. As you can see, my action button is already connected with my message window. And here, I will enter my store location as I have connected my store location action button with it. I have entered my store location, opening and closing details and working hours. With that, I also want to add action button. For that, I will click add action button and enter catalog. On the second button, I will enter need help, and on the third action button, I will add not now option. And again, I want to send a separate message for each action button. And for that, I will again drag and drop this option and select media. As I have written catalog, I will select media for it. And after that, I have to select my desired media like video, images, audio, document. As I am going to send document, I will select the document option and after that, I'm going to browse my document from Google Doc. From here, I'm going to copy the link I'm going to paste my URL over here. As you can see, my document is entered. After that, I have to give a caption over here. I have given caption as catalog. You can even add action button over here also. As I don't want to, I will leave it here itself. Similarly, for need help, again drag and drop the option and write a message over a text button. I will write a message in which I will tell my customer about that. I'm going to add another message box for return policy. Again, I'm going to select the text button and enter my message over here. I will enter my detail about return and exchange policy. And for this as well, I can add few buttons like need more help, not now. I'm going to connect my need more help button with this message so that if my customer press need more button, they will get the same message about customer support. After that, you need to save your file. As soon as you complete your flow and satisfy with that, you need to save your file. As you can see, I got a message flow updated successfully. I will enter a key message over here. For example, hey. As you can see, I got a response reply which says that welcome to the Pabbly fitness family. We are so excited to have you join us on this journey towards strength, comfort and style. Our mission is to provide you with high quality fitness apparels that support you every step of the way, whether you are crushing a workout, running or just relaxing. We hope our piece inspire you to move with confidence and feel your best inside and out. Here I got 3 action buttons from which I'm going to select return policy. I got the return policies about my brand which says that return and exchange accepted within 7 days of delivery. Item must be unused, unwashed and have tag attached. Sale item and accessory are non-returnable. Size exchange allow based on availability. Refund policies within 7 to 10 working days to the original payment method. Shipping charges are non-refundable. To initiate a return, contact us at support@pabblyfitnessapparel.in or WhatsApp us with your order number. Pabbly Fitness Apparel Performance Meet Comfort. Here I got 2 more buttons, but I am satisfied with this answer. I will select not now. As you can see, my chatbot is working successfully and giving me answer within seconds without any manual help. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.